Hold tight if you wanna ride with me. Tonight, if you wanna come with me.
I see you looking like you really wanna ride with me. All fours on shine, gassed up, cruise with me. Hit the city nights under full moon lights. No worries, ma, it's all about you tonight. Put the drop top back, let your hair blow back. Hit the gas, I love to see your body react. Where we at? Hit the spot, we can dine for the night. Better yet, the hotel, we can grind for the night. Or we can work the strip and just ride all night. Speakers banging in the trunk, sounding wilder than a dog fight. Relax and put your mind on me. I put my money where my mouth is casually. Turn your cell phone off, tell your friends we off. We can double back, switch up and then get lost. Cause you know I keep it sick, 24s on the Kanye and Porsche. Just the floors, I pay the cost to be the boss.
Hold tight if you wanna ride with me.
All fours on shine, gassed up, cruise with me.
Tonight, if you wanna come with me.
The world is yours, we can break all laws.
Hold tight if you wanna ride with me.
I can do whatever, we can do whatever.